Lovelies, did you know that over 40% of YouTube channels earning six figures annually never show their faces on camera? Yes, they are called faceless YouTube channels. And you know, there are some people who are there, and among my fans, among my friends, even people who are out there, they are like, Christine, for us, we cannot show. It's very hard for us to show our faces on a camera. It will take a lot of confidence. So if you're there, yes, let me tell you, YouTube channels are thriving, especially this one there, which are faceless. And you don't need to be on screen to make money these days. In this video, I will reveal proven ways to earn YouTube money without showing your face. Whether you're a camera shy person like the way I know you, my friend, or you just want to keep your privacy, these methods are perfect for you. Let's get started, because what I came to learn these days, sometimes even you need not put your faces, especially to avoid bias. So let's go and get started. But before getting started, I would love to say thank you to all Immaculate Shop people, especially the royal subscribers. Please, what are you waiting for? Just share this video, please. Hit that like button. I love you so much. The first way to make money is to start a channel with text-based content. I know it might not be new for you guys. Examples of these channels is like 10, the top 10 list. The second one is fact-based videos, motivation quotes. You can use this one to make channels with text-based content only. And I know there are some of my friends that I've seen, they're very good at the text, and most of the people these days, they love text so much. Why does it work? The text-based videos use visuals like slideshows, stock footages, or animation to deliver engaged engaged content. You can create videos using tools. You guys, these tools are there. I've used them. You can use Canva, you can use Adobe, you can use Spark, or even you can use Microsoft PowerPoint. So go in for it. What I'm telling you guys, you can really do this one. It is very easy for you. What do I advise you here? You focus on niches. These niches which are highly paid. I remember I talked about these niches in our last previous video about education, motivation, or travel. These ones can pair your content with compelling titles which will attract clicks, and at the same time you'll earn money on them. Then the second way is create animation or whiteboard videos. Examples is they are like explainers, the tutorials, the storytelling videos. These are very good. Why do how do they work? These ones, they work with animated videos, and these animated videos keep audience engaged without requiring a real person on screen. Tools like Dodri and Maker and Poton make creating animation very easy. So if you're a person who like that, you can go for this. You guys, I request you and I advise it, always choose niches. When you're doing this one, you choose a niche like in tech reviews, life hacks, or history explainer videos. This one, they attract high and ad revenue. Then the third way to make money without showing your face on YouTube is to use stock footage, footage and voiceovers. I've used this one, and that's why I'm using this one also in this video. And examples to use on this, you can use travel vlogs, you can use product reviews, you can use DIY guides. It can work with very well because you have like platforms which are very easy for you to give free videos, free photos like Pixels, Pixabay, and even you can also use Antigrid to provide free or affordable stock footage that you can use to create polished professional videos, and even voiceovers to explain and narrate your content. Let me tell you the truth. For you to make this one do, especially with you get some good amount of money, you need to combine stock footage with trending topics like travel destination, movie reviews, or gadget, without forgetting unboxing to attract views. You know, the aim we are having here is to make money without showing our face. The fourth way to create videos without showing our faces is create gameplay videos. Gameplay videos, I can give you like one of the popular one which has been trending, is about game walkthroughs, the tips and tricks. Then also there is live commentary. Why do I bring for you this? It works very well because game lovers watching others play their favorite titles, and recording gameplay requires no face cam. Use free tools like OBS Studio to record and upload your gaming sessions. This one I will really recommend you for you to be monetized very well, and you get ads. The Your CPM to be high. You need to join affiliate programs for gaming gear and monetize your videos with ads and sponsorship. Last but not least, I would request you guys to use this best one. I've been using it. Use all generated voices for narrations. You can give you examples of topics like new updates, how to guides, documentary style of videos. These ones are very good and they work very well. The all tools like Speechify or Mofial can create lifelike voiceovers. These are very good, saving you trouble in recording your own voice. Like the way you can hear my voice, I'm sick, but I'm recording. Suppose I've used this one, it would be very well. Pair these narrations with stocks, images, or graphics to create faceless content, but I advise you to target next very good niches which are highly paid, like tech reviews, health tips, or productivity hacks, as they draw an audience which is looking for clear and informative content. Can I give you the six? Start a YouTube automation channel. When you start this YouTube automation channel, you're going to do videos like viral trends, evergreen content. Evergreen content, e.g., like health tips, finance, and fitness. These are evergreen content. I know some people, when I tell them about the evergreen content, like these ones of mine, they feel offended. Others will say, but you're not trending. I'm trending in my own way. Why it works well is that YouTube automation involve outsourcing video creation. So script writing, voiceovers, and editing is okay for you here. You manage the channel while others create the content for you. You guys, I tell you, if you want to do this very well and get some good amount of money, you have to scale your channel quickly by focusing on highly paying niches like personal finance, technical review, education, how to do this, how to do this, like the way I explained for you recently. Now, let me tell you something. I cannot tell you that you can make money on this without telling you the advantages of these faceless channels. You guys, it should have come as the first, but I wanted to give it to the people who are going to keep around and you enjoy this. It's very, very beautiful for you to have a faceless channel. If I was told, if I had landed on a such video before I started my channel, I would do this. And if I think I'm going to start it very well. Let me tell you, as from experience of being a YouTuber for 2 years, these faceless channels, if you're there and you do it, you follow instruction, it maintains your privacy. You guys, it is very good when people who like you, even who hate you, don't know that you are the one doing that channel, because there will not be any bias. So no need to reveal your identity to the public. The second advantage, it lowers equipment costs. No need for expensive cameras, you guys. It will not disturb you on lighting. You don't know how we suffer when we are going for shooting. Sometimes we shoot, you find the lighting is so bad. So when you're doing this faceless, it's very cool. Then also it focuses on content quality. You can concentrate on your productivity value packed videos, not on video quality. So this one is very good and it saves you time. Again, another advantage that I can really not forget to give you is about scalability. Faceless content is easily to outsource, you guys, and it enables you rapidly growth. So you can go for it. You are going to ask, Christine, how do I get paid with the faceless? Will it work? Yes, it will work. It is like any other video that you're going to enter. Also ads partnership, you can, and also on affiliate marketing, you can get sponsorship, you can match sales. All these ones you can really get paid in those four ways, like any other platform. So making money on YouTube without showing your face is entirely possible and incredible rewarding. You guys, you have been telling me you're shy, can you stand? Yes, you can do it. Now, my friends, my fans, if you know you're there watching me, watching this video, whether you choose animation, stock footage, or YouTube automation, there is a method for everybody. Start your faceless YouTube journey today is very good. And remember, it is better than all others. I think I'll be bringing a video on why you should go to YouTube, not like other videos. I'll bring it very soon. You can really start it. You don't need to be in front of the camera to create an impactful income generating content. Like the way you're seeing this video, I did not go in front of the camera. No, I'm just seated at the comfort of my home, just holding and recording. I wanted to bring it as an example that you can do money without bringing your phone. If you found this video very beautiful and you love it, and you've been really trying to look for ways to start your YouTube channel without bringing your face, give a thumbs up right now. Try to subscribe. Make sure that we want to hit 100,000 subscribers. And please, to achieve this, we have